Hello, good morning class. How are you all? Hope you all are healthy and fine. Today I'm going to take GK class and today we will be doing page 13, Lessons for Life. Please pay attention, take out your books and follow. I'm going to explain you this page. After I complete few pages before the summer vacation start, I'll be giving you all a worksheet which you can do it at home during the holidays. Okay? Now I'm starting. Please follow. Lessons for life. Here are a few quotes that will inspire you. Read each one slowly and carefully. Discuss with your partners what it means and what you can learn from it. So here are some of the inspiring quotations. You all are very much aware quotations in WhatsApp, yes? So here are some of the eminent person whose quotations are there, which is very valuable, which we should know also, okay? So today, first one is Henry Ford. If you think you can do a thing or you think you can't do a thing, you are right. What is saying? If you think you can do a thing or if you think that you can do something and if you think if you cannot do something, it is right. Next one, Abraham Lincoln. It's not the years in your life that counts. It's the life in your years. Saying it is not the year that comes, it is the how many years you're spending and how valuable it is, how important it is to you, that it counts a lot. Next one is try to be rainbow in someone's cloud. It said Maya Angelou. Means see, everybody's life is not full of happiness, peace and prosperity. There are many people who go through very hard times when nobody stays beside them. And so it is said, try to be a rainbow to summer's cloud. So when after cloud, what happens? Dark cloud, the rain falls, isn't it? So when you're sad, you cry, you have worriness, you have tension. So that is the time you should try to be like a rainbow. Rainbow means rainbow has 7 bright colors in them. And it conveys the message of hope. So try to be somebody like that for who is in bad times, just like a rainbow. Instead of passing comments or making them more feel unhappy and uncomfortable. Next, Oprah Winfrey. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. So that means what? You should have an aim. When you have something, you think of something, then only you can plan of something. But if you don't have in anything, if you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. So that means what? If you don't try, you don't think of something better in your life, you will never achieve that. So everything can be achieved if you try and have a hope. Next, Randy Posage. We cannot change the cards we are dealt, just how we play the hand. So what is there, what you're playing in the cards, that is final. You cannot change. So what is in your hand, try to do the best out of it, because you cannot change what is already with you and you are having and which is in your luck. So utilize what the scope you get, use that scope instead of thinking of changing. No. So what you have, try to modify it, try to make best use of it. If opportunity doesn't knock, build a door. So you're going through a very bad phase, you're struggling, opportunity not coming, but still what have to? You have to keep on trying. So you say opportunity doesn't knock, but build a door. So you have to make your door, you have to make your path in such a way, you have to make your stability, your choice in such a way that automatically you get the options to do better. So without trying, you cannot make the door where the opportunities will come and knock. So my dear children, nothing comes. If you don't try hard with your studies, don't expect good marks. So only if you can try, automatically you will achieve good marks. That means your chances will come at your door. So page 50. We will not do this page. No. Come to this page. See, now the season is coming for what, children? Which fruit? Mango season is coming, isn't it? Yes. So, let us know the varieties of mangoes, quality and their names. We should know the mango's name also. The mango is said to be the king of the fruit. You know that? The king of the fruit is what? Mango. And summertime we have mango. Why? It's very juicy. And it's a very healthy fruit. And we all people enjoy eating mango, isn't it? So let us know about this. Come summer and the fruit people love to eat. Juicy and succulent mangoes. See how much you know about some popular varieties of mangoes. Read the clues and write the correct answer. Choose from the options. The answers are given on the inside that options. See, one mango is there, all the names are there. Now we have to read the clues, understand and write their names. Take your pencil in your hands and write down the answers fast as I am telling you. Yes. Number 1. It is medium sized and roundish oval in shape. It has a thin skin and tastes sweet. What type of hints is given? It's a medium size and round in shape, oval shape. And its skin is very thin and tastes very sweet. What mango it is? It is Daseri. Dussehri. Daseri. Number 1 answer is Daseri. Number 2. It has a tip that gives its name. The skin is thick and the greenish yellow. It is widely grown in South India. It's a mango which is mostly grown in South India. And its tips are what? The tips gives the name. The skin is thick and greenish yellow. And it's widely grown in South. This mango name is Totapuri. 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 Number 3. It remains green even when ripe. Means when the mango is already ripe, it still looks green. It is very fibrous and has tangy flavor. And it very fibrous means inside lot of fiber type things are there. And it is tangy in flavor. And this mango name is Langra. 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 Number 4. It is golden green on the outside and bright orange inside. Outside colors is golden, okay, golden green, and inside is orange type. It tastes very sweet. It is what? Kesar. 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 Number 5. Also called Hapus. It is nicknamed the king of the mangoes. It has a small, neat, thin skin and a lot of pulp. So inside lot of flesh is there, and it is called Hapus, and it's the king of the mangoes. Its name is Alphonsona. Alphonso. Alphonso. Alphonsona. So, Alphonso. Sorry, it's an Alphonso. Number 6. It is quite large with a thin skin and fibrous pulp. It has a delicate aroma and flavor. Aroma means smell, and flavor means taste is also very good. It's quite large, and it is called Begun Pali. Bangan. Bangan. Palli. Pali. So today I am doing only 2 pages. See that you go through it, and I'll be giving you all the worksheet, which please complete it in your exercise copies, okay? As I'll be completing 2-3 chapters, I'll be giving a worksheet which you have to solve it in your exercise copy, okay? Another thing, I pray that you as well as all your family stay healthy and safe in this second wave of COVID pandemic. We are very much worried, so please take care of yourself, listen to your parents, be good, don't go outside, maintain distance, wash your hands, use mask, and take care of your health, and also take care of your parents. Okay, so we'll meet after the vacation again. All your holiday homework will be given. Okay, take care. Bye. See you all again.